Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, SDK, driver, and validation layers. Install the Vulkan SDK that matches your GPU driver. Once done, set the Vulkan SDK environment variable and append its bin path to your path so tools run. Then run Vulkan info to confirm the loader recognizes your driver and runtime. Make sure validation layers are present. They catch common mistakes early. This initial alignment prevents tool mismatches and saves time during the configuration steps that follow. Now you configure layers and ICDs so the loader chooses the right components. Place layer manifest JSON files in the system or user layer directory, or set VK layer path to an explicit folder. Edit the ICD JSON to point to the correct driver. Or DLL using absolute paths to avoid ambiguity. Once configured, restart any applications or shells so environment changes apply. Use validation layers for runtime checks. They explain mismatches and missing extensions, which helps you refine the manifest and IC. Finish by testing. Run sample applications and Vulkan info to confirm reported layers, extensions, and the active ICD. If things fail, enable instance layer overrides or VK validation features to get detailed diagnostics. That pinpoints missing extensions or bad entry points. Make sure your path and VK layer path are correct and that ICD and layer JSON files have valid syntax and absolute paths. If a driver won't load, recheck library file names and permissions. One misplaced character in JSON often causes the loader to skip an ICD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.